A new move by the US government might make it tougher for international students, especially Indians, to study and stay in America. So, what's happening? The US Department of Homeland Security is planning to limit how long foreign students can stay in the US. Right now, students can stay as long as they are enrolled in a full time course. This is called duration of status. But under the new proposal, the US wants to replace this flexible system with a fixed period of stay, meaning every student would get a specific end date on their visa. If they need more time, they will have to apply for extensions, which could take months. So what's next? The proposals has sent to the Office of Management and Budget. If approved, it will be shared for public comments, a process that can take months before becoming a law. Why does this matter to Indian students? India had over 4.2 lakh students in the US in 2024, the largest group of international students there. If this rule is enforced, students will have to go through more paperwork, spend more money, and face uncertainty about whether they can finish their education in time. Experts say this move could create unnecessary delays and stress for students. Visa extensions can take months, which means students may be stuck waiting, unsure if they can continue their studies. But is this really needed? The US government says it wants to stop students who overstay their visas. But here's the catch. The overstay rate is just 3.6% for students and exchange visas. That means 96% of students follow the rules. More than just visas. The Trump administration has been cracking down on universities too, especially those seen as supporting pro-Palestine protests. Recently, Harvard University had $2.2 billion in federal funding frozen, with limits on how many international students it can take. They have even asked immigrants to make their social media profiles public so agents can check for what they call anti-Semitic activity. If this rule goes through, it could seriously affect Indian students' dreams of studying in the US. It's still under review, but students and universities alike are keeping a close eye. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.